Hello, Namaste City Scroll. I am Sonil Sharma Final from Sarita Holidays, Kathmandu, Nepal. I represent the company called Sarita Holidays Nepal. It was established in 1994 by my grandfather. I'm a third generation managing director here, and we do spiritual tours, cultural tours, adventure tours and cross-country tours to Nepal, Tibet and Bhutan. So we have packages for the corporates, for the families and for the pilgrimage purposes and also for the groups. And also we do Kailash Manasarovar and Muktinath trip in the spiritual packages, and in cross-country we do Nepal, Tibet and Bhutan, and in adventure packages we have been doing Mount Everest by trekking or by motorbike or by jeep or by helicopter or by flights. Anything you want, we get it. Thank you.